everybody! I just received my StackCare at home in the mail that I ordered for my mom, and I'm excited to share with you. She is 82 years old and she lives alone in her house, and I just want to know that she's doing okay. StackCare is a remote monitoring system which, once installed in our house, will give me daily updates on how mom is doing and also let me know if she needs help. So here we go, let's open the box. Inside, there are 3 small boxes and 1 medium-sized box. First, let's open the medium box, which contains the gateway. It comes with a power cord. Now, let's unpack the smaller boxes. I think they contain the sensors. Here we go. As you can see, the sensors are quite small, no larger than my thumb. Because of their size, they are very discreet, and once they are up on the wall, Mom won't realize they are there. Each sensor comes with a double stick pad to allow for easy installation simply by pushing on the wall. So here it is, StackCare at Home Unboxed. The system is small, discreet, and sleek. I can't wait to install it and finally feel reassured to know that all is okay with Mom.